All right, friends, let us do this now. The spot rate is 48.0123. 180-day forward is 48.8190. Interest rate is 12% per annum in India. Dollar rate is 8%. If you borrow 83,312, what is your risk-free arbitrage profit? Let us check that now, friends. So we have two countries. One is India and the other one is US. So I'll put it here itself. I am going to borrow how much money over here? 83,312 dollar. After borrowing, I'll convert at the spot rate. What is the spot rate? 48.0123. So I'll get the number as 40 lakh rupees. This I will invest in rupees at the rate of 12% per annum for 180 days will be 6% or 40 lakh into 12 percentage into 180 divided by 365 will be 2.36 lakhs. So the amount I get in my hands will be 42.36 lakhs after 6 months. Okay, this money that I am borrowing at 8% per annum, correct? So that would be 83,312 into 8 percentage into 180 divided by 365, $3286. Okay, so 83,312 plus 3286 will become $86,598. This I will reconvert it back at 48.8190. 48.8190. I will get $86,769 back minus 86,598. So I will get $171.49 as my profit. Let's check. Okay, I think I've got a rounding off difference because I took 180 days. The answer should be 206.95. I think I'll get that number once I take the same thing and do it at flat 6 months interest rate, friends. I hope you are clear with this part, friends. Thank you so much.